5 tips for beginner traders. How to trade with SQX. Are you interested in trading but don't know where to start? Do you want to learn how to create and test your own strategies without coding? If so, you're in luck. In this video, I'll share with you 5 tips for beginner traders who want to use StrategyQuant X, a powerful software that can help you generate, optimize and validate trading systems for any market and time frame. Tip 1. Learn the basics of trading. Before you dive into StrategyQuant X, you need to have some basic knowledge of trading. You should understand the concepts of risk management, position sizing, entry and exit signals, stop loss and take profit orders, indicators, backtesting and forward testing. You should also familiarize yourself with the market you want to trade, whether it's Forex, stocks, futures or cryptocurrencies. You can find many online resources, books and courses that can teach you the fundamentals of trading. Tip 2. Choose your trading style and time frame. StrategyQuant X can generate strategies for any trading style and time frame. You can choose from scalping, day trading, swing trading or long-term investing. You can also select the time frame you want to trade, from minutes to months. Depending on your trading style and time frame, you will need different types of strategies, indicators and parameters. For example, if you are a scalper, you will need fast and responsive strategies that can capture small price movements in a short time. If you are a long-term investor, you will need robust and stable strategies that can withstand market fluctuations over a long period. Tip 3. Use the Algo Wizard to create your first strategy. StrategyQuant X has a user-friendly interface that allows you to create your own strategies without coding. You can use the Algo Wizard to design your strategy step by step. You can choose the market, time frame, indicators, entry and exit rules, stop loss and take profit levels, and other settings. You can also use the built-in templates or import existing strategies from other platforms. Once you have created your strategy, you can see its performance on historical data and analyze its statistics and equity curve. Tip 4. Use the Strategy Builder to generate more strategies. If you want to explore more possibilities and find more profitable strategies, you can use the Strategy Builder to generate strategies automatically. You can set the criteria for the strategies you want to generate, such as the number of trades, profit factor, drawdown, return on account, Sharpe ratio and more. You can also define the building blocks for the strategies, such as the indicators, operators and logical conditions. StrategyQuant X will then use a genetic algorithm to create thousands of strategies that meet your criteria. You can sort, filter and compare the generated strategies and select the best ones for further testing. Tip 5. Use the robustness tests to validate your strategies. Before you trade your strategies live, you need to make sure they are robust and reliable. StrategyQuant X has several robustness tests that can help you verify the quality of your strategies. You can use the walk-forward analysis to test how your strategies perform on unseen data. You can use the Monte Carlo analysis to test how your strategies handle different market conditions and random variations. You can use the multi-market test to test how your strategies perform on different markets or symbols. You can use the parameter shuffle test to test how your strategies perform with different parameter values. You can use the incubation test to test how your strategies perform in real time on a demo account. These tests will help you eliminate over-optimized and curve-fitted strategies and find only those that have a high chance of success in live trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy trading!